Meron yan. That's impossible. Lahat tayo meron yan. Meron yan na. Kaya lang kasi, yung sinasabi ko nga sa'yo, picturean ko ito. Isin ko sa'yo, ha? Picturean ko yan. Isin ko sa'yo. Para ano, alam mo. Dali, picturean ko. Ayan. I-video ko ng konti para alam mo. This is the one that I'm saying to you. You can see this arrow down. You can see that arrow down. I'll show you. So now, if you click that arrow down, you can see this. There's a drawing of, like a drawing of the human. It's a size of a human. You can see that one. So if you click that, let's see, click ko yan. Ngayon, meron na ako nakalagay na profile doon. Pipili ka ngayon. You have to choose from your photos down there. It will come out of your picture from the gallery. Then you have to choose which one you like. And then you just click done.